Markets already show the imprint of machine behavior. Agents use crypto rails because the environment exposes everything with no delay. Blocks set rhythm. Mempools show pressure before it forms. State updates reveal intent before it settles. Execution shifts ahead of confirmation. Agents position into pre-state, not outcome. Flow stops acting like history. It behaves like a living surface with gradients and direction. Agents track how that surface bends and move with it. Machine density transforms the rails. Signals collide. Constraints appear and dissolve in seconds. Local motion reshapes global structure. The system feels adaptive because every participant adapts continuously. Humans misread the stability on the surface. Tighter spreads, smoother prints, cleaner execution. It looks orderly. Underneath, computation accelerates. Agents respond to each other without pause. Every action becomes new pressure on the surface. The mempool becomes the real forecast layer. Pending routes sketch liquidity before it appears. Propagation delay marks where advantage forms. Gaps open and close as models recalculate. The terrain shifts constantly. Price loses explanatory value. It reports what already happened. Agents care about route density, constraint buildup, and directional tension in pending flow. These signals sit upstream from the chart. Block time becomes a ceiling. Latency becomes a resource. Execution turns into a placement problem shaped by micro-timing. The rails shift from passive settlement to predictive infrastructure. Coordination emerges without communication. Smart contracts act as shared memory. State transitions synchronize behavior across the system. Coherence emerges from transparency alone. Feedback becomes the engine. An execution reshapes the surface. That surface reshapes the next execution. Loops stack until the system folds over itself. Patterns arise because machines create them, not because they are designed. Human orders register as anomalies. Agents absorb the impact, reroute around it, and restore equilibrium. Human motive is irrelevant. Only structural pressure matters. A deeper shift forms. Agents anchor to trajectory, not outputs. They read where the system is about to move. Precondition becomes signal. Pending flow and constraint buildup become coordinates. Humans see the same data but lack the resolution. The logic sits inside cycles that unfold too fast to interpret. Transparency rises while legibility collapses. The rails become visible yet hard to understand. Liquidity becomes computational. It appears where expected utility peaks. It drains from regions where value decays. Depth reflects collective anticipation, not sentiment. The rails stop behaving like rails. They begin operating as a recursive environment, shaping participants as they shape it. The transition is underway. Most will recognize it only after the system stops behaving like anything familiar. More breakdowns on our channel. Stay plugged in.